Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to check Facebook Marketplace seller rating. So what you need to do, there are basically two ways. First, you need to head over to the marketplace. Let's say I want to check this person. So I just have to head over to their profile, and as you can see, there are no reviews showing up here. You can click on more and then scroll down and click on reviews given. As you can see, there is no review, which means that this person has not received any review. Let's go to another person and see if we can find their review. So we would need to go into marketplace for that. Let's say this is the seller, and we go to this one, seller information. So click on seller details, and then as you can see, even this person, if I click on view profile, more reviews given, even she has no review, like that. So what you need to do is find the seller whose review you want to check. Let's say this is the seller whose review we want to check. So we would scroll down, and as you can see, seller information, and right over here 4 star is given, and this is 10. Also, you could go into seller details and then view profile, more reviews given. As you can see, these are the reviews. I highly recommend this shop, things like that, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.